This may look like a sauna, but it's also becoming an extension of our classroom, a recovery center for our dog mushing programs, and one of the most unique additions we've made to Fortos Fort. Hey everybody, this is Michelle Forto, and today I want to show you one of the newest additions here at the Sled Dog Jeep channel. Our custom-built sauna by our friend Thomas Doak and the team at Solstice Saunas. We've wanted a sauna for a long time, and after a lot of planning, it's finally here. What started as a simple sauna project quickly turned into a major upgrade for our property. The first thing you'll notice is the classic cedar barrel design. Not only does it look great, but it also helps circulate heat efficiently. The craftsmanship is outstanding, and it's built to handle Alaska's tough conditions. From the metal roof to the finishing details, it feels like it was made specifically for this property. Inside, the smell of cedar immediately stands out. The space feels surprisingly roomy, with comfortable benches and a heater that provides the dry heat and steam that makes sauna sessions so relaxing. For us, this will be a place to recover after dog training sessions, hikes, travel days, workouts, and long Alaskan winters. What most people don't see is everything required to make it work. Our friend Jim from Duke's Electric ran a new 220-volt electrical line from our kennel and barn to the sauna. That required digging a trench about 150 feet long and 2 feet deep. With the help from our neighbor Tracy, we rented an excavator and got the job done. Jim then installed a dedicated electrical panel that not only powers the sauna, but also provides room for future projects, such as a hot tub or even a second Tesla charger. So what began as a sauna installation became a major infrastructure upgrade to the entire property. This sauna will also support our educational programs. Robert teaches dog mushing and leadership courses through the University of Alaska Anchorage and Alaska Pacific University. Students spend long days outside working with sled dogs, often in temperatures well below zero. After a day on the trail, a warm sauna provides the perfect place to recover, reflect, and continue the conversations that often lead to the best learning experiences. One reason we chose Solstice Saunas is that we believe in supporting local Alaska businesses. Thomas and his team understand what it takes to build for Alaska, and that experience shows in the final product. We're thrilled with how this project turned out. A huge thank you to Thomas Doak and Solstice Saunas, as well as Jim at Duke's Electric, for helping bring it all together. Thanks for watching. If you have questions about the sauna or the installation process, leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you on our next adventure.